Okay, basses, this is a training video for Northumbrian Suite. I'm going to do each video separately for the 3 movements. So this is when the boat comes in. This is very gentle. And, you know, if you can vibrate, this is the moment to do it. There are places where it's syncopated in measure 18, for example. Measure 18 is 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and short, long, short, 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 long. Okay, so just make sure you are distinguishing between eighth notes and quarter notes, and listen, probably the cellos or somebody else in the orchestra has this as well. So here we go. No sharps, no flats. Pizzicato, 1, 2, 3. Mistaken. Here's the G I meant to play. Okay, so low, and then excuse me, and then a G. So we're right in measure 17. It'll look like this. Good. Now we're going to go to up in position for the C natural. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, and back to pizzicato. 2, 3. Turn my page. Here's 63. Up, bow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, gentle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're back to pizzicato. 2 and 3. 3, and the next entrance, pizzicato in the 3/4 and. sorry. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 2 measures rest. And here we're back forte and accents. So play a little bit closer to the bridge to get a little bit more of a bite to the note. Ready? And 1, 2.